Now, how do you fix overexposed photos on the iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Well, if your photo has too much light in it and if it's like overexposed, you can find it in the Photos app where you have the ability to click on the edit button and then click the adjust right there. And you have a couple of different things or controls for it, right? And literally the first one is for exposure. So you can literally dial down the exposure even in the post-production. And so after the photo is captured, you can make the exposure go down. So that's pretty useful. Of course, you can play with the other sort of like these brightness sliders. Like there is one dedicated specifically for brightness only, so you can do that. Or you also have the highlights, which can also bump up or lower down the bright areas of the image. You can see we have the shadows, contrast, and all of those things, which if you set and tune them properly, then you can end up with a much different looking photo, and it can actually be fixed if it's like overexposed, or if you don't see the detail in the shadows, you can fix it in here as well, right? So there are plenty of options to change and fine-tune your images. In these types of videos, I usually mention that there are like deeper levels to this, where you can download like the Lightroom app from Adobe, where you have even more controls over the brightness and the colors, because you also have the curve tool, which lets you see it like visually like that, and also change the colors and hue and all of those things, which you don't have in the built-in Photos app. So if you want to be more professional with your photo editing, get apps like Lightroom or Snapseed from Google, right, which are more advanced. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work. Thanks a lot for watching, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.